A rich person was a very fat person. As his wealth increased, his weight also increased. Once, when he visited a doctor, the doctor said, unless you reduce the weight, you will be in very serious health problem. You reduce 1 kilogram per week and thereby reduce 25 kilograms in 6 months. For that, you have to purchase a weighing machine and check the weight every day. The rich man purchased the weighing machine and then he again went to the doctor. He said, Doctor, due to my belly, I cannot read the weight in the machine. The doctor said, there is a solution. Now there are machines available which announces loudly the weight. So the man purchased such a machine and then again went to the doctor and said, Doctor, now the problem is when I enter into the machine announces one man at a time, one man at a time, one man at a time. Friends, why people become overweight? Nobody become overweight by gas entered into their body. Only by food you become overweight. One mathematical professor has defined overweight as food minus exercise equals overweight. That means less food and more exercise. Kam bhojan jada yayam. The studies about animals has revealed that if you feed the animals less food than that is required, slightly less food than required, they live longer and they live longer than their expected lifespan. So for long life you have to eat less food. The most failed initiative in this world is the weight reducing initiative. Let us see how dieting initiatives fail. Dieting means you skip either a breakfast, lunch or dinner at intervals. Then the message you are giving to the subconscious mind is there is some famine going on in this world. Understand, the primary duty of the subconscious mind is to preserve your life. It will go to any extent. It will move heaven and earth to achieve this objective. So when the subconscious mind gets such a message, it will compel you to store more and more calorie. That means you will eat more. And another reason is dieting equals focusing on food. When you diet, what do you think is about food? What do you think is about your overweight? And whatever you think and focus on, you will attract into your life. So you will eat more and you will become more overweight. So what is the solution? Don't think of the food. Don't think of dieting. You keep busy. You concentrate on your work. You concentrate on making money. You concentrate on success. You concentrate on your relationships. And then eat only when you are hungry. And don't eat to your full stomach. Less meat if you are a non-vegetarian. And that only chicken every 2 weeks only. More and more fruits and vegetables. One best method is to avoid milk in coffee or tea. And ice cream will always increase your body weight. And the most important thing is exercise. Only 25% of the urban population is getting enough exercise. That is worldwide. Why? What is to be done is, you make it a habit. You make it a routine. Do you think about whether I should bath today? Whether I should brush my teeth today? You simply go and do it. So, exercise should also be like that. It should be the part of your routine. It should be a habit. Just as you sleep, just like you eat food, just like you brush your teeth, just like you take bath. Go and do it. Then, why most people don't reduce weight is, they always keep an image of themselves as a fat person. Unless you change your mental picture about yourselves, you won't reduce weight. You imagine, you have the mental picture, you visualize yourself as a thin person, then only you will be able to reduce your weight.